Good morning. Today I am going to explain how to synthesize dibenzyl acetone. Materials required for this synthesis are sodium hydroxide pellets, benzaldehyde, acetone, ethanol, 50 ml measuring cylinder, 10 ml syringes, beaker, sintered funnel, round bottom flask, etc. Reaction involved in this experiment is aldehydes and ketones that contain at least one alpha hydrogen undergo self-condensation in presence of dilute alkali or acid to form beta hydroxy aldehydes and ketones respectively. The initial product undergo dehydration to form corresponding alpha beta unsaturated aldehydes and ketones respectively. 2 moles of benzaldehyde condense with 1 mole of acetone. Mechanism of this reaction involves the, the alpha hydrogens in acetone can be deprotonated forming nucleophilic enolate anion. Aldehyde carbonyl being more electrophilic than ketone is attacked by the enolate anion of ketone. Alkoxide undergoes protonation by the solvent to yield a beta hydroxy ketone which undergoes base catalyzed dehydration to form dibenzyl acetone or dibenzylidine acetone. It is a bright yellow solid insoluble in water but soluble in ethanol. It is used as a sunscreen component, and this elimination of water is fast process since the alkene is stabilized by the adjacent carbonyl and phenyl groups. Procedure involves fix the 250 ml RB to the retard stand. Weigh about 2 grams of sodium hydroxide. Take 10 ml of distilled water in round bottom flask and under cooling conditions dissolve the 2 grams of sodium hydroxide pellets with constant stirring. After completely dissolving sodium hydroxide, add 10 ml of ethanol as a solvent. Stir it for uniform mixing. Then add 4 ml of benzaldehyde dropwise into the round bottom flask with constant stirring. After 5 minutes, add the 1 ml of acetone slowly under cooling conditions. Solution turns to yellow or brown color. After 15 minutes, solution becomes cloudy. Add 10 ml of distilled water and then filter the yellow solid so formed. Wash the crude product with excess of water to remove excess of sodium hydroxide. Dry the crude product and record the yield. Recrystallize by dissolving the yellow colored solid in minimum quantity of hot ethanol and filter it to remove insoluble impurities and allow the solution to cool slowly. Pale yellow crystals of dibenzyl acetone separates out. Filter and dry the crystals. Result involves the experimental yield of dibenzyl acetone is 2.3 grams and theoretical yield is 3 grams. Now percentage of yield is 76% and it is a yellow solid. Precautionary measures are: sodium hydroxide is corrosive and irritant to the skin, so handle with care. Wash the crude product with water to remove traces of sodium hydroxide if any. And use minimum quantity of ethanol to dissolve the crude sample for recrystallization process.